You can take this, babe, because I would have taken another.
Morning, guys. We're going on a road trip.
Yeah. I've got a cable. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Well, some guy and a man in my house husband. Certain things we got with them boy and a plan. You know. That could have been a feel me hard. That could have not a no regard. That could have been a feel me hard. That could have been some man a fraud. Some man a one of them a man, but them a boy a yard. One of them a match, one a John a card. One of them a man, but them a boy a yard. One of them a man, but them a total fraud.
Crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas?
Morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm in Mother's. Jamaica has like 3 really famous patty companies: Tasty, Juicy Beef, and Mother's. And when I went to school here at Camperdown, they had Mother's at the canteen. So I've always had like this love for Mother's cheese patty. So that's what I'm gonna have now. Sasha wanted to pull up outside, but as you can see, the squaddies are here, so she couldn't do it. So she gonna go drive around the laps. I don't know Crossroad. Crossroad today? So yeah, she gonna go drive. No, the downtown. She gonna go drive around the roundabout while my other is hi.
Hi, good morning.
Come to Mother's, guys, and you come to Jamaica. Pin by card, please. Just had our second pit stop. We went to Tasty for Sasha to get some munch. She's over there. So she got patty and drinks. But I want jelly water, so I'm just gonna wait. Guys, look pan Jamaica sun. I'm a skin. Like, can we take a moment? Like no makeup, no flitter, no flitter. It's a shame. It's a shame.
Gotta take it just too much. I wanna shut it out. But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing you so really good. It's this one thing you did wrong. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one.
This side is gonna be this side has potential. You know, it reminds.
Oh my
Or
God,
lift them
look at
bill it up.
It reminds me of what's that place?
Yeah. Guys, we are in Porty. Let's go. We have to drive up on the road every time. Bop, bop, bop. What the hell is that?
It's this one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did wrong.
We are at this private beach, and honestly, we're the first persons here. You can literally see the rake in the sand. And I don't think I'm gonna go for a dip, but I am just gonna get my feet wet and just like collect ourselves for a minute. Sasha bring some bag juice too, so I'm gonna sip a little bag juice, and we have towel or something. Probably just wet up her foot. So she'll bring her drone, so each day they set up. Let me just show you the place going on. This is what's going on here.
We don't know each other well, so why I keep picking up myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, voices I don't wanna understand. My coffee's watching a little.
So I gotta be right now, oh my goodness. You tell me say this pan a Sunday you bring your little sandwich, you fry a piece of chicken in a content with life? Eh? And you mix your little thing, you don't have to come with no money or just the gas you need. This no free, Sasha?
Yeah.
And people that Jamaican the press? Girl. I'm gonna come pack up my bag and come home. Girl, this nice, see? This cannot keep a little string up. Wow, and them have this here so we overlook the sea. People wanna support it?
This is like.
It's just one thing that got me tripping. It's just one thing that got me tripping today. That's one thing you saw me feeling. It's just one thing you did wrong. It's just one thing that caught me slipping. It's just one thing I want to admit. That's one thing and I was so with it. It's just one.
Water cool. You're refreshing though. Subscribe! My brother same too hype for drink bag juice.
You're never too high.
So that best thing to come out of Jamaica.
I can agree.
I sure them don't know what I go on. You must remember that England I want to look one bag juice or one sex stock? No. Even the box juice them. The big juice.
Yeah. Big Joe's is my.
The orange, the fruit punch.
Why is my boss calling me?
Guys, we're leaving now. And we're heading to the next stop. I don't know where it is, but Sasha has somewhere that she wants to be. So I'm all ears, I'm all for the ride. And it is still just us, completely empty, but it is midweek, so I guess all the locals are working. And kids are in school, they don't go on breakers yet. And Sasha has to herself. I'm not a fan of it. Not the biggest fan. I think it needs to be mixed well. Feet work. The sleep tonight are glorious. You want a picture of your sister? With the backdrop? Okay. Alright, look a video. So
And maybe I just can't believe it. It's just one thing you did. I can't deny, trying. All I have to do is to keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can keep a secret. Babe, what you do?
hello, please. We're at the back now just for a quick stop. We're here to get some cash before we go any further into Portland. It's 11 o'clock. I think we're doing, well, it's just 11 about there. I think we're doing good for time. Hey guys, we are on our stop. We're still traveling on. We're now at Boston, and this is famous. If you ever come to Jamaica, make sure that you come to the Boston Jerk place. And may I just have a look walk now and see what kind of flavor them have available.
Yes, when I say
They look like they make the things them feel
they have
fresh.
chicken, pork, fish, and lobster.
Me a Jamaican enough for twang.
No, I'm not on the twang, I'm not for me talk you rough.
Give me rough and nice,
You want
yeah.
me talk you rough?
Rough and normal.
Rough and nice, give me, talk him rough and nice.
Oh wow. Me a vlog, you want to talk to people them? Which part were they?
Boston Jerk.
Alright.
Main pit. Mickey's Jerk Center.
Alright.
Yeah man, and welcome again. Alright, what you want to do now?
I don't know, just look out of my eye.
Me a pork sausage, chicken, fish, lobster, kung soup, roast seafood, fried clams,
Yeah, breadfruit? Not fried breadfruit?
no, roast.
Roast? Little piece of fried. You can't fry it for me. Alright, I'm gonna walk and come back because you see me I record for people.
Let's ask him first.
No man, never me. I'm going to cook it with the wood. Tell the people when you have them, boss.
Pork, chicken, fish, and lobster.
We rent that too.
These are the pork sachets.
We rent that too.
Thanks.
Nice and sweet.
Yeah. People can come support them. Their place clean and bad. You rent what? Guys, this is the sausage. Not bad. Okay. Come on, we're done.
About 7:30.
I know they're here Monday to Friday, every day of the week.
Monday a big holiday.
Yeah, except this Monday, I know, man.
Yeah. Yeah, 17.50 now.
Guys, I ordered this conch. I'm not going to have it like this. Only have it in a soup. I'm so sure now I'm going to go up on the beach. I'm going to meet up and show now I'm going.
Well, some guy and a man, them a house husband. Certain things we got with them do a yard of fraud. Give it up. That could have happened if me hard.
Guys, we just made it to Boston Beach and it just looks like a movie. This doesn't even look like real life. It's perfectly clear. This is crazy. Hello. Alright, man. Yeah, so sure I might have to go over the right there go see what's going on. Guys, my socks wet up. I'll put it up, make it start dry from now.
That could have happened if me hard. That could have happened some man a fraud. Some man a one of them a man, but them a boy a yard. One of them a match a one and John a card. One of them a man, but them a boy a yard. One of them a man, but them a total fraud. Dirty things is a man in a yard. Bad things is a.
Hey guys, I've just changed into my bikini. The water is so warm. The sand is literally like Play-Doh soft. Like it is so mushy and soft and tender. Like this would be a perfect exfoliator, like as it is, honestly. You don't need no refining, you don't need no. The beach empty up. We have some tourists earlier, but them free up the local swing over there, so I don't know, I'm gonna swing now. And I'm also gonna do some surf lessons, so I'm gonna probably just show you guys a few clips here and there. But if I don't vlog anymore here at Boston Beach, honestly I would recommend it, and this is a must visit. I'm coming here again when I visit Jamaica, but let's get into the surfing and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Like fraud, cause it apple is a serious thing. A man not the money, just money. Him a fi the woman all of it. Want a dollar, him a fi have something. Take what she want and give what he left for. Him a fi spend.
don't know. We'll probably see if we can go over Great Out, or we'll try to see if we can find one next beach or a hotel go. If I have like a really late brunch or like dinner vibe.
Jada's getting surfing lessons. Okay, my brother. All right. Okay. I'm gonna rise up. Okay. All right. Done, bye. Alright. Go at the foot. We need to turn you. And then we rise up. And see me here. I'm just always into the next thing.
The edge of them one soapy. Guys, I just done my lesson. We're gonna go get some drinks now and then slowly start my way. It's 1 o'clock. It's early though, but we are tired. Like, we've been out early and I hate overdoing stuff to the point where I'm just like over it. So I'd rather go home with a bit of energy and I can just slowly like get ready for the evening and like get my life together. Guys, we changed and we made it to the Blue Lagoon. I can't believe it. It's my first time seeing it and it is jaw-dropping gorgeous, like out of this world pretty. It's crazy. No, I think that liquor they're nice to me. I think I can manage the ice cream as well. Guys, this is literally one of the best days of my whole trip. Like, sensational.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. Do my
there's one at B&B place, and it looks really nice actually. Let's see.
Hey guys, we just left Canopy House and we're now heading to get some food to hit the road to head back into Kingston. We're contemplating going to the river tonight. Contemplating going to the river tonight, or I might go for dinner, but I'll let you guys know. Bad. And it's $400? 400. Guys, all the money look the same. It's so confusing now. It's not pound. It's more proof now. Thank you so much. Do you want to have him look running in front? Sure. Them can go like them farther on the road. I just remembered remembered I was leaving the party last night trying to vlog, and someone was like, "My vlog you have or video you have?" I said no. I said no. Guys, we made our final stop, which is to get some food to hit the road to head back to Kingston. We've stopped and we're just having our pre-dinner, if you will, in front of this gorgeous view, and I wish you guys could see it, feel it, smell it. Sensational. But I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for keeping us company on this road trip. Don't forget to subscribe to Sasha's channel, Sasha Antonio. Follow us on all socials. I'm on all socials at Jada Talks, and I'll see you guys. My vibe's gone. That for sure, the vibes will depend today. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.